Hare Krishna to all of you. So Govardhan Prabhu, you there?
Yes, Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Dandavat Pranam.
Dandavat Prabhu. Please go ahead, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu. I welcome you all for today's session, Food for Soul. Today's Kirtan is going to lead us by Oja Mataji. Oja Mataji, you can go ahead, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashtat Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna
Let somebody also sing along with you, Mataji.
Hare हाँ प्रभु जी.
After you sing, let any of the devotees you can invite. One of them can also sing, because Kirtan means one other person should also be able to sing after you.
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes.
Is
Okay,
anybody
okay,
there who would like to follow up with Mataji after she sings? Anybody? Okay, Sabita Mataji, go ahead, Mataji. Yeah, continue, Mataji.
Okay, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you so much for supporting me.
Very nice.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you so much.
So this is one of my favorite tunes also, Reshmi Mataji. So very nice.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you so much.
Sabita Mataji, you did a great job. Thank you, Mataji. So yeah, Gordon Prabhu, go ahead.
Yes, thank you, Mataji. And next chanting is going to lead us by Riddhi Mataji today.
Oh, Hari Bol. Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Prabhuji,
Thank
you're on
you.
mute.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you for leading us in today's
Hare Krishna.
chanting. Thank you, Mataji. Next, Sheshadri Prabhu is going to lead us in book reading. Sheshadri Prabhu, are you there, Prabhu? Sheshadri Prabhu, you can unmute and you can start reading, Prabhu.
You want video or audio?
You are convenient, Prabhu. If you want
Hello?
to, you want to share your video, you can do it, Prabhu. It's
No
up
problem.
to you.
Okay. No problem. No problem. Thank you. From where I have to read, sir?
Down, Prabhu. You need to come down. If I wanted to be initiated in your society, can you bring it down? Further, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu, I'm doing it.
Where? At a short?
Yeah, down. Yeah. If I wanted in your society, yes, from there.
Yes, yes. If I wanted to be initiated, then from that,
Yes.
into your society. If I want to be initiated into your society, what would I have to do? Then Sri Prabhupada says, first of all, you have to give up illicit sex life. Reporter, does that include all sex life? What is illicit sex life? Sex with no restrictions. But human society, there are restrictions. In every country and every religion, there is some system of restricting sex life. You would also have to give up all intoxicants, including tea, cigarettes, alcohol, then Arjuna, anything that intoxicates. Reporter, anything else? Prabhupada, you had also have to give up eating meat, eggs, and fish. And you have to give up glamping as well. Unless you gave up these four sinful activities, you could not be initiated. Reporter, how many followers do you have throughout the world? Srila Prabhupada, for anything genuine, the followers may be very few. For something rubbish, the followers may be many. Still, we have about 5,000 initiated disciples. Reporter, is the Krishna consciousness movement growing at all the time? Srila Bauddhada, yes, it is growing, but slowly. This is because we have so many restrictions. People do not like restrictions. Reporter, where is your following greatest? Srila Bauddhada, in the United States, Europe, South America, and Australia, and of course, in India, there are millions who practice Krishna consciousness. Reported, could you tell me what is the goal of movement is? Srila Bauddhada, the purpose of Krishna consciousness movement, God. Conscious movement, God. At the present moment, our consciousness is designed. Someone is thinking, I am English man, and another is thinking, I am an American. Actually, we do not belong to any of these designations. We are all part and parcel of God. That is real identity. If everyone simply comes to that consciousness, all the problems of the world will be solved. Then we shall come to know that we are one, the same quality of spirit soul. The same quality of spirit soul is within everyone, although it may be a different dress. This is the explanation given by Bhagavad Gita. Krishna consciousness is actually a purificatory process. Then Sarvopati Mugatam. Its purpose is to make people free from all designations. Padvena Nirmalam. When our consciousness becomes purified, all our designations, the activities we carry out with our purified senses make us perfect. Eventually, we reach ideal perfection of human life. Krishna consciousness is also a very simple process. It was necessary to become a great philosopher, scientist, or whatever. We need only chant the holy name of the Lord, understanding that His personality, His name, and His qualities are absolute. Krishna consciousness is a great science. Unfortunately, in the universities, there is no department for this science. Therefore, I invite all serious men who are interested in the welfare of human society to understand this great movement and, if possible, take part in it and cooperate with us. The problems of the world will be solved. This is also a verdict of the Bhagavad Gita, the most important and authoritative book of spiritual knowledge. Many of you have heard about of the Bhagavad Gita. Our movement is based on it. Our movement is approved by all great acharyas. In India, Ramanujacharya, Madhvacharya, Lord Chaitanya, and so others. You are all representatives of newspapers. So I think you to try one understand this movement as far as possible for the good of all human society.
Yes, Prabhu, we'll stop there. That is where we should end.
Okay?
We can read the questions and we'll try to answer. Sheshatri Prabhu, wonderfully you have read, and it was as if Srila Prabhupada reading it for us. That kind of a voice I felt when Sheshatri Prabhu was reading.
I'm slow or fast?
What, Prabhu?
I'm slow or fast reading?
No, Prabhu, you really read it very nicely. We could follow. Thank you so much, Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank
you are a scholar yourself. So we are very fortunate to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir.
So please lead us with the questions, Prabhu. Govardhan Prabhu will display the questions.
I too felt the same thing, Prabhu, as if Srila Prabhupada is reading.
So that's the beauty about Krishna consciousness, that small children and elderly people, experienced people, no experienced people, any walk of life, any kind of person with whatever qualification can be in Krishna consciousness. So that's the beauty. That's why we are able to see so much of variety. Thank you, Prabhu. Please, can you lead us, Prabhu, with the questions discussed?
Yes. What one has to do to get initiation into Krishna consciousness society?
Yes.
Actually, you should always be in bhakti and dedication to Guru. And not only that, he has to recite that Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, daily he has to do. Then only he will get initiation and Krishna consciousness society.
Okay, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhu. But we will restrict the discussion for this module for what we have discussed. So yes, you said what you said is in general, but specifically in this module, Srila Prabhupada is saying, if you wanted to get initiated into Krishna consciousness, what are the specific things that you should be doing and not doing? So can somebody raise their hands, and or if you feel that raising hands is not so comfortable, you can just unmute and say, but give opportunities for others also.
Yes. One has to quit eating non-veg and all.
Okay, so first one is quit eating non-vegetarian food. Second point, anybody else can say. Unmute and then say.
Usha Mataji raised her hand, Prabhu. Usha
Mataji.
Usha Mataji, yeah? Who said?
Yes, Prabhu. Usha Mataji, Prabhu.
Yes. After a long time, we are seeing her.
Gambling. Yeah. Give up gambling.
Okay.
Give up gambling.
Gambling. Yes. No meat eating.
Hare Krishna,
no
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Yes. Others can also unmute and then say. One by
Prabhuji, Hare Krishna Prabhuji, we should give up all intoxications like even tea, coffee, then cigarettes, alcohol, marijuana, all those intoxicants
yes.
we should avoid.
Okay. One last one. I think we
Illicit
covered.
sex life.
Illicit sex.
Illicit sex life. Okay. So sometimes people but hesitate to put these words, but Srila Prabhupada never hesitated to tell as it is what it is. Because if you see in Western society, these four things are part of their life. It has gone into their bloodstream. You talk about illicit sex, they do not have marriage life at all. At the age of 12, 13, if you do not have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, there is a stigma. What happened to this guy? What happened to this girl? Why is that they do not have any affairs? So that is what people, because their parents are really bothered. What is happening? So that kind of a situation, and Srila Prabhupada went there and telling them that these are the four things you need to avoid. Meat eating, because they don't know what is vegetarian food. Now you are saying that you should stop meat eating, no eggs, no fish, no intoxication. So they cigarettes, alcohol, everything is there only. So see how what kind of a tough situation was to bring this movement, propose this movement to take it further forward. So anybody wanted to add anything beyond what we just discussed? That with your
Savita Mataji. Savita Mataji can go ahead.
Yeah. Prabhuji, more than adding something, I just wanted to know here, they have said that no gambling. So I am a stockbroker. My profession is included in gambling only. So I don't know.
So actually gambling means, as far as my understanding, based on the seniors who have told, say lending money and getting interest also to others is also kind of gambling. Because you see, the whole point is this. You should be involved with a profession wherein you do not have tension, because you need to focus on your Krishna consciousness. When you give money to others, you don't know whether the other person, you are expecting more, you are expecting less, and he will give you back or not. See, I'll tell you my own experience. We had some money. Instead of we putting it in the bank, we thought, why don't I give it to somebody whom we trust and we know? And he was kind of very close friends of our family friends. And myself and my wife Sanda, so to get that money back, we were so much in a situation where we don't know what will happen. It's a hard-earned money, and now we out of some kind of a lalach. Lalach, I'm saying. What is that English word for lalach? Greed. Then we thought, why don't, instead of bank, why don't I give it to this person? He's giving more than what the bank is paying. This greed is what is bringing us, which is our downfall. So be doing things which are legal. Stock brokering is legal, and go as per the legal norms. Don't go beyond that.
Okay, Prabhuji.
So that way it is good. And in our society, there is one Prabhuji who gives nice lectures. He was a stockbroker. And later on, his Maharaj told him that what you need to do as a profession, such that it matches your psychophysical nature.
Okay.
See, the whole point is that you need to take up something which matches your psychophysical nature. If you take right job, but wrong person, or wrong person, but right job, this combination will not work. So you need to take the right job for the right person, that means right for your psychophysical nature. So you need to, for me, if you ask me, can you go and do civil engineering works? I do not like it. My psychophysical nature may not permit it. So it depends what kind of a IT job somebody is interested. Somebody is interested in non-IT jobs. So you need to find out. That's where, and in one way, if you take mentors or a coach, they also find out based on certain tests they conduct and find out where is that you can really excel. and such that it also matches your psychophysical nature and physical nature based on your Vata, Pitta and Kapha also. And your Vata, Pitta, Kapha is basically telling you what kind of a person you are, what is your personality. Suppose you are a person where you get agitated very easily, so you should not be doing a front end kind of a job. You should be more back end kind of a person, right? Front end, you will be facing a lot of people and you may not be able to deal with them properly. So that, hope I made that point clear.
Thank you,
Sabita,
Prabhuji.
anything you wanted to add, or do you have any follow-up question?
Prabhuji, one question in chat box. Chits, does it comes under gambling?
Yes, absolutely. Chits also comes under gambling, unless and until it is not authentic. See, you give it for a lot of people do it. See, the whole point is this: they go for shortcuts. See, when I put it in chits, there are authentic chits kind of thing. Yes, like Margadarshi and things like that. Okay, but see, it all depends upon what is your intention and whether you are really your inner voice says that this is not correct, then don't do it. It's all depends upon your inner nature. But what there is no hard and fast line that is drawn saying that what is gambling, what is not gambling. But you very well know that what is gambling. So wherever you are, lalach is there, greed is there, and it is making you go out of your way and take those risk kind of thing. I would not advise you to take up things like that. Be on a safer side and genuinely earn money. So that is what, don't deceive, because the karmic reactions of see, suppose I work in a company, and this company is an IT work I am doing, but they kind of export meat, animal meat. So that karmic reaction also comes to you because you are working to indirectly, you are also doing involved in the meat killing of animals. So that karmic reaction also comes back to you. May not be directly so much as you kill an animal, but again it will come. Now suppose I would say, I go to an extreme case. See, I worked for Microsoft, and when I heard about Bill Gates saying, what is your favorite food? Then he said, cow is my favorite food. Then I also thought that, see, I work for Microsoft, so and to this kind of a head I work, so I will get some amount of karmic reaction for these things. So minimize the karmic reactions so that you lead a simple life which is based on which will not really harm anybody and will minimize your karmic reactions. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, Govardhan Prabhu, anything else you wanted to add?
Actually, one question in chat box, Prabhu, from
Yes.
Ramesh Prabhu. Prabhu is asking, in past, knowingly or unknowingly done a mistake. Wrong is wrong only. Prabhu is. You put a question mark, means what to do?
What we can do is basically, when you started your Krishna consciousness, you have realized that this is not what should have been done. At least now, if you are not repeating it, at least your karmic bank balance slowly will get depleted, because we have seen that. Can somebody quote me with respect to the Saturday and Sunday class? We discussed this. Can somebody tell me how is that possible? Can you raise your hands? Those who know, or you can just unmute and speak. That's okay. Anybody? No one, huh?
Give the fruit to Krishna.
You need to do
whatever the
fruits.
Whatever the work we do, we have to give it to Krishna, Prabhuji.
Okay, very nice. And so you need to do basically what kind of a karma is this?
Like if we are getting a salary, then we have to give, as a fruit, we have to give some portion to for like charity. Like charity.
Okay. Who is helping you, Mataji?
Juhi.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So yes, so basically what happens is that when you
Then
are,
all the-
yes, Mataji, can you mute, please? So what happens is that suppose you have lot of your baggages since some karmic reactions are there for the past actions. What happens is that when you do akarma, this is what we discussed. Just when you do akarma meaning that you are not getting any reactions to the whatever activities that you are doing. So that is called akarma. Neither positive nor negative. You are not getting any reactions. So that kind of akarma when you do, basically the intention with which you do is that Krishna is going to get satisfied and I am doing it for his satisfaction. So when you do akarma, what Lord Krishna says is that your past balance of karmic karma, whatever is accumulated, that also gets burnt in this particular akarma. And if you read the chapter properly, it is mentioned that all the karmic whatever accumulated ones are there, it becomes like ash and it just gets evaporated because because you're getting purified. Purified means what? All the dirt, all the karmic reactions are getting removed. So that is what it is. Hope we answered that, Gordhan Prabhu. Anything
Yes,
else
Prabhu.
we have to discuss on this particular question, or we can move forward?
We can move forward, Prabhu.
Yeah, next question. Prabhuji, go ahead. Sudarshan Prabhu. Sorry. Seshadri.
Seshadri. Prabhu, you are in mute, Prabhu. Seshadri Prabhu, you can unmute and answer. Read the question, Prabhu.
Hello. From today's module, please discuss what is the purpose of Krishna consciousness movement.
Yes. What is the purpose of Krishna consciousness movement? Please raise your hands, please.
To awaken man's original consciousness.
Oh, very nice. Good. Next point. One point is a simple. One point you can, if you say, we get a chance for everybody. Please unmute and then just say the next one. We don't want it to really monitor that way. Just unmute and then say one point.
Vasavi Mataji has put it in chat box, Prabhu.
Yes.
Like we are all parts and parcel of God. That is our original identity.
Okay. So what is the question from today's one? Please discuss the purpose of Krishna consciousness. We are that. Yes, that is true. But what is the purpose of our being Krishna consciousness?
Mataji has put 4 options, Prabhu, like 4 answers. One is actually
No, we'll not read all, Prabhu. Only one, you just one.
Purification process, Prabhu. Mataji.
Okay. So first one, what happens? What one has shared? What was the first one?
Awaken man's original consciousness.
So man's original consciousness. What is our original consciousness? Can somebody tell?
Ramesh Prabhu, you want to answer, Prabhu?
Parcel of
man's original consciousness is Satchitananda.
Okay, so that is whatever the man's original consciousness is, whatever is the soul's consciousness, what is the soul's characteristic, the same is what we are, because we are spirit souls. We are not this body. So what is that character? But now we are not able to experience. Why we are not able to experience? Anybody?
Indulged in material things.
Yes, one good. As per this module, why is that we are not able to experience that? Very nice. Anybody can put it in a different way.
Preeti Mataji, you can go ahead, Mataji.
We are lost in the material world, and that's why we are not getting purified and getting our consciousness towards the Krishna consciousness.
Basically, we are not able to experience that original consciousness because we are identifying ourselves with this body. As in the module it is said, I am an American, I am a Hindu, I am this, I am that. But actually, all bodily designations. So what you are not this body. You are spirit soul and you have taken this body. but our identification is different. What we are saying, I am this body, I also have a spirit soul. So that kind of an identification when you do, your soul has become a subsidiary, but actually you are a spirit soul and you have taken this body. That is that consciousness we need to develop, and that when we come there, then that is the purpose of Krishna consciousness, to take you to that particular platform, and that is how we should. Okay, any other points you wanted to add before we take up the next question?
Prabhu, I'd like to add one point, Prabhu.
Please,
Actually, as a spirit soul, we are like like rainwater, Prabhu. Originally, we are pure. When it touches to the surface, it gets contaminated. Our process is we have to purify ourselves to get back to the original consciousness.
Fantastic, very nice example, bro. Thank you for sharing. Yes. Anything else anybody wanted to add onto this? From today's module, please discuss what is the purpose of Krishna consciousness. Is there any other purpose that you think that is there? And the chat also, please follow up, Prabhu. If anybody wants to, you can read that also. Okay.
I'll read it, Prabhu. One question in chat box related to this topic, Ramesh Prabhu. But I still continue to feel India pride. How to take to Krishna consciousness?
So there is nothing wrong to be proud of your origin. See, I am a Hindu. I'm proud of my culture. So what is wrong? So but at the same time, do not forget who you are. Because when you say I'm a Hindu and I don't do anything, but dogmatically you go and do all whimsical kind of a thing, based just saying that I'm a Hindu, and you kind of go and thrash other religious people, that is wrong, because you are not taken the essence of Hinduism or essence of our religion. So that is more important than outer cover that you are putting. See, Srila Prabhupada never said that our culture is so good and others are wrong. So what we are saying is that you should be proud of what you are. You are proud to be an Indian. Yes, you are proud to be an Indian. But just being Indian doesn't mean that you should criticize other foreign countries or other people. That you do not have that right. And now, in fact, after coming to Krishna consciousness, I started having more gratitude for other foreign countries. Because ISKCON could have been established and we are getting this knowledge, and Srila Prabhupada could establish all this in foreign countries, and foreign devotees have picked up this first. And now, if you ask me, I am aspiring from a Maharaj who is a foreign devotee. So, like that, my wife got initiated from a foreign devotee. Like foreign in the sense, foreign body. But again, they are spirit souls. But we are all identical. So that's why we need to take. Yeah, next question we can take up, Prabhu. I think we discussed this in detail. Unless until anybody has any questions, please do not hesitate to unmute and ask. So there is no need for you to raise hands or something like that. We are all mature. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, next question. Can we go?
You can read, Prabhu.
Being the follower Krishna conscious movement, how would you like to contribute for the discussed purpose?
Okay. So one thing I just got to add in the previous, which we missed actually, is that if you wanted to, the purpose of Krishna consciousness movement is that we need to only chant the holy name of the Lord, understand his personality, his name and his qualities are all absolute. So this is what Srila Prabhupada very clearly mentions. But the first and foremost thing is that chanting. So there was a person, I'll tell you one incident. This has happened when Srila Prabhupada was there. There was one person who was in the temple, and he was not doing any other job. He was just doing only chanting. And there are a lot of complaints that have come because there are, they say that this person is only doing chanting. He is not doing anything else. But there are so many other activities one has to do. So that complaint came to Srila Prabhupada, and Srila Prabhupada said to few other people, in support of that. Can you sit down and do chanting the way he is doing chanting? Because not for 1 or 2 days, he was able to do it for months together like that. Not continuously, but again, majority of the time he was using it for chanting. Now, later on, what happened is that this particular person, when Srila Prabhupada had this kind of an opinion, that if somebody is absorbed in chanting, his purification is going to happen. And later on, what happened is that this person who was doing chanting, his purification has gone to a level where he, later on when he was involved in sevas, he was doing that seva with so much attention and with love that you can't even imagine. So the whole point is that when you take up chanting and with that faith, you are not doing with grudges. What is this? This many rounds I am doing it for this many hours. Naturally, when you have the inclination and the trust that whatever Srila Prabhupada is telling, whatever our Shastra is saying, and chanting is our basis, you give maximum emphasis and focus on chanting. Chanting means hearing the holy name. Whenever you are saying Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this 16 syllable Mahamantra you are listening. So this is where purification has happened. So there is no scientifically, I cannot put you in a laboratory and tell you whether purification has happened or not, because you cannot prove it in the laboratory. This is all you should experience, but it will happen, and it is going to happen, and it has happened to so many. So focus for us is that chanting. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Kevalam. Kalau nastev, gatir anyada. In Kali Yuga, there is no other way, except Harinam. So much. Those who are not being able to attend Mangala Arati, that is 5:30 chanting, I folded and I request you that please be having this faith in the process. Come up, take the plunge of coming out of your comfort zone, and in association, when you chant, all your laziness will go away. Lot of purity will come to you. That's the importance of group chanting. If you personally sit and do, that is much more, but at least now we can do it online with Zoom. That's also better. So yes, Prabhuji, last question. I'll just read it out. Sheshadri Prabhu has read it. Being a follower of Krishna consciousness movement, how would you like to contribute to the discussed purpose? Personally, how you wanted to use? Maybe this is the right occasion because being a new year, you wanted to take some resolutions, or whatever is discussed, if you can apply it, what is your commitment? Probably that is what is the question. So anybody can.
I want to have always in devoted trend. Not only that, I'll always dedicate in service, and I want to do more and more service to this ISKCON.
Okay, so what would be the concrete steps that you want to take, or you wanted to get involved? Because if you just make your statement vague, and please forgive me, if you are not very clear about what you wanted to do, then action will not follow. Be specific. You need not tell now, but again, this is a homework for you, to each one of us, that what you would like to really do, and give your commitment, saying that this is what I will do. Whatever is my rest of my life, this is what I will do. That is where purification will come. Now you got my point, right?
Okay.
Yes. Ramesh Prabhu.
Mataji want to answer, I think.
Yeah, go ahead, Prabhuji's. Mataji's. Anybody who wanted to share? Because when you see, they say that when you tell it out, things will happen. If you just keep it with yourself and say that now whether it will be possible or not, what other person will think. If you have this kind of appreciation, the nature's law is that it will not allow you to take it up. So just commit yourself. You have to. It's not brainwashing. It is more to do with your mind, which has been contaminated, as Prabhuji, Govardhan Prabhu very nicely mentioned, because of the water got in touch with the mud, it got polluted. What you need to do? You need to filter it, and then it will become a drinking water. So filtering process is what you need to take action to filter. Yes, Savita Mataji, Puja Mataji, go ahead, unmute and you can start.
Yeah, Hare Krishna Prabhuji. So, as a New Year resolution, I thought of starting chanting, and luckily, yeah, today morning.
You got muted Mataji. Yeah.
Yeah, and today for the first time in my life, I did my 7 rounds.
Oh, Hari Bol. Very nice, Mataji.
Hari Bol, Mataji.
Very nice.
So my target is to do 16 rounds on daily basis. That is my target, like not tentative now, it's like resolution now.
Yes, very nice, Mataji. See, and ask, you need to put your effort, you need to put your endeavor, you need to desire, but again, ask for mercy of the Vaishnavas, ask the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, because in this endeavor, mercy is very important. So that is where we need to ask. And
yes, Prabhuji, I can see the mercy because I'm getting.
Mataji, you got
yeah. So I'm getting association of devotees in the morning, and it is so awesome session.
Yes, Mataji. So when I was doing my japa on an individual basis and doing with all of you, my japa is become much more, what do you say, I'm really able to see there is a difference in my chanting level because of all your association. I'm very indebted to all of you. Yes, Mataji, Sabita Mataji.
Yeah, Prabhuji, basically what I decided, like it's very short time since I joined your sessions, but I see so much of difference in me, and people around me also see the difference. So I have decided from today onwards, which I already did, every day, at least to one new person, I will talk about Krishna conscious movement.
Very nice.
I want everybody to get that feeling. So I want to initiate that process.
Yes. So I will tell you one thing, Mataji. So now, sometimes we take some commitments, and see, you need to become the way that you need not speak. Things will happen because after people seeing you, automatically they start asking you, what happened to you? How is that you are so joyful? How is that you are able to deal with things so nicely? So a situation in our life should come like that. Okay. So why I am being little cautious, please forgive me. Sometimes what happens is that in the initial hype, we might sometimes get committed saying that at least one person I need to talk. But be cautious saying that, yes, because the whole point is that we should not miss that I should get purified. In the process of talking, if purification is your target, that is the right thing. But if your target is that I need to just speak, that is not going to cleanse you or not going to help you personally to, you see what I'm saying, right? So our intentions are very important, as Bhagavad Gita is practical. So let us see how we can do akarma. It is not, see, by in the grab of Krishna consciousness, sometimes what we happen to go is that we do all materialistic activities coming to spiritual. So I'll tell you one of my previous experience. I am not successful in my materialistic goals. Then what I do is that I come to spirituality and look for the same thing there. I did not get success there. At least I should get success here. There I was not able to influence a lot of people. Let me influence now. But the purpose here is lost. The purpose should be is that you should do akarma. Akarma means please Krishna. In each and every step, you need to ask whether Krishna is Krishna is coming in the center or I am coming in the center. If I am coming in the center, that means there is some gadbad Baba. So be careful. I am telling you because we are very new and I am also new, and I am also, when speaking, I am also trying to tell myself that this should not happen with me also. And invariably, it's because of the conditioned nature, it will happen. But at least if you have that knowledge, okay, sometimes I'll do my litmus test. Oh, why, whatever I am doing, whether I am doing it for as a service to Krishna or I am offending anybody. And if you are offending anybody, please ask for forgiveness. As I wanted to ask Sudarshan Prabhu to forgive me if I was offended him knowingly or unknowingly. So because it does happen because of the material conditioned nature, right? So that way. So Savita Mataji, hope you got, and via you I am reaching it to everybody. Not that your goals are something wrong, but the whole point is that what is your intention of the goal? Why is that you wanted? That you should be focused. And whenever you keep that in mind, purification will happen. And you are doing akarma. Akarma is not impractical. Once Mataji has asked, today Malti Mataji is there? She is not there. She was asking a very wonderful question. We'll discuss that sometime. So, and each one of you should also ask yourself, when you say akarma, can you cite some examples from your life about what are akarmas that you can do? Think about it. We do not have a lot of time, but yeah, think about it. And try to see how Bhagavad Gita knowledge, whatever small things that we are learning, how I can apply it in my life. That makes the change. That makes the difference. So, Govardhan Prabhu, Mataji's, Prabhuji's, any questions you have, please do not hesitate. It's a little bit of understanding and putting into practice is better than so much of theory. Hope.
First, I like to read Dr. Lata Mataji comments, Prabhu. Like, yes. New Year planned through a small thing to give up tea because I am a tea addictive.
Oh, wow, that's really good. See, small things make perfection. Perfection is not a small thing. Small things. How do you talk to people? What is that commitment you have gained? But again, try to come out of your comfort zone. Don't be miserly person. That's what happened to Arjuna. He said, Karpanya doshopahata swabhavat prakshamya tvam dharma sammuda cheta. So because of my miserly attitude, come out. Don't be miser. And again, don't overcommit also. But be practical, slowly, but steadily. That's what Srila Prabhupada says. Our movement, there are not a lot of followers. Why? Because our restrictions are like that. And we are slowly and steadily you need to move. That is where stability will be there in your life. If not, Ayaram, Gayaram. You are excited one day, next day you are totally down. After 1 month, you are not there. So one thing you keep in your mind, that association, whatever may the other Prabhu is saying, sometimes he might say something harsh to me, somebody may scold you, or somebody may say that, hey, what you are doing is not, because sometimes it happens. The whole point is that whatever may come, I will not leave the association. That's my commitment. I will try to do whatever. I will fight, but still it is like wife and husband relationship. We'll fight, whatever we'll say, but again we wanted to be together and lead our life. So that kind of a association relationship one should have. Preeti Mataji, last probably. Yeah, others also can share. So because this is
Juhi, Prabhuji, I want to share something.
Yeah, please.
Like after joining these classes, Gita classes, like Gita Saram and Gita Shubhodini, I have left tea and coffee, Prabhuji.
Oh,
and I have started 16 rounds of chanting.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol. That's the expression.
And today is my birthday, Prabhuji.
Oh, your birthday, Mataji? Okay.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So wonderful, Mataji. So we should sing that song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Mataji.
Happy birthday to you.
Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna
Happy
to
birthday, dear
Mataji.
Juhi.
Hare Krishna to
To
Thank you so much,
you.
Prabhuji and Mataji. Thank you so much. I just need your mercy, Prabhuji.
so that I can continue
Yes,
chanting.
yes, Mataji, we are all praying each other for such that we are all going to go to Goloka together. So that is our intention. That's the bhava we all have wanted to share with others. Each and every person we wanted to all go. Thank you, Mataji. Fantastic. Thanks for sharing with us to this family. Anybody else wanted to share their experiences and anything that you wanted to? Yeah, Preeti Mataji.
Prabhuji, I just want to share one thing. I go to ISKCON temple oftenly, Prabhuji. I just used to go pray and come off. But after associating with you and the devotees, I realized what change I have to do. I was just lost. I was just going on my own way, doing
Yes, Mataji. Your voice last.
something. Then I realized how God got into initiation of reading Bhagavad Gita, knowing things. So I'm really thankful and indebted to you, Prabhuji. And I am intoxicated to tea and coffee because of my duties and emergencies, Prabhuji. But I'm reducing. At least I've cut down 2
Yes,
cups of coffee and tea. So I'm thinking slowly I will try to do that.
Okay. Very nice, Mataji. So doctors
Thank you,
and
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
very well educated and professionals. If you see, in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says that we'll see it in the next chapters also, that leaders, when they take up these kind of decisions and they are following it, rest of the people will follow. We automatically become leaders. Now you see, slowly, our intention is not that, but again we will become the Shrestha leaders. So that's really good to hear from you, Mataji. Thank you so much. As you said, see, just focus on what is our intention. Our intentions are very important. That makes the difference between whether it is going to entangle us or liberate us. Our intentions should be very clear. When we go to the temple also, we are going to temple for Krishna, just praising him for giving this wonderful opportunity for us. Nothing more. I was earlier, I was also going to temples and asking, Krishna, can you give me this? Instead of that, so yes, sometimes I say, because if I am in trouble and I am Krishna, whatever is your mercy, okay, I am going to take it. But you could put me into Krishna consciousness, put me into your seva. Because these kind of troubles which are coming, I am not able to focus. Please help me. So this kind of thing you can ask. But again, your intentions are very clear. So that is what is purity. We should slowly go. Thank you, Mataji. Anybody else, any other devotee wanted to share? Snehal Mataji, after that. Yes, Snehal Mataji, you wanted to unmute?
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्ण Mataji.
फर्स्ट प्रभु जी, मैं आपको बिग थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि कोरोना जब स्टार्ट हुआ था तो फर्स्ट टाइम मैं आपके एक कोर्स से ही इस्कॉन से जुड़ गई थी. मींस इस्कॉन का मुझे पता चला था, और वो जो जर्नी है 8 to 9 months, इट्स रियली वेरी लाइफ चेंजिंग. मींस अभी मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि जो मैं करना चाहती थी, गीता पढ़ना चाहती थी, कुछ ना कुछ रिलेटेड स्क्रिप्चर्स पढ़ना चाहती थी, वो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा पॉजिटिव लगा. अदरवाइज कोरोना में तो सबको ये थोड़ा सा निगेटिव ही ईयर है, पर मेरे लिए ये लाइफ चेंजिंग ईयर रहा, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस.
Thank you, Mataji. Snehal Mataji. Thank you. And you are really fortunate in one way, because you are getting very nice association. Not just this association. Sakhi Sevika Mataji is my god sister, and
Yes.
she is also very. You are very lucky, Mataji, and we are all lucky in one way. So take association, and thanks for sharing that. And come sometime to this what do you say, morning Mangalarti 5:30, because you also should give whatever you benefit there, you pass on to us also. That is what. कभी कभी इधर भी आ जाइए, आपका एसोसिएशन दीजिए हमें भी. धन्यवाद माता जी. Yeah, Kavyashri Mataji, then Savita Mataji. Unmute Kavyashri Mataji, you can unmute please. After that, we will listen from Sudarshan Prabhu. If you wanted to scold me, I am ready to take. Please,
No, not at all, Prabhu. Not at all, Prabhu.
please forgive me, Prabhu. Sometimes
Prabhu,
I am.
one message in chat box, Prabhu.
I just wanted to ask forgiveness from Sudarshan Prabhu. Please forgive me, Prabhu. I am sometimes not
Sorry, Prabhu.
because of my own anarthas. I am really what do you say? A good soul like you should be there. If I take you out, I'll be very unhappy. So please forgive me if some things have done. Thank you, Prabhu. Kavyashri Mataji.
Prabhu, one message in chat box, Prabhu. This is from Vasavi Mataji. Doing Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Started reading Bhagavad Gita again after 15 years.
Oh, wow. Very nice. So, see, whatever that Krishna has mercifully brought us all together. Thank you, Mataji. Yes, that was Kavyashri Mataji, then Savita Mataji.
Kavyashri Mataji put it in chat box, Prabhu. To do chanting daily without any missing
Yes.
a day of chanting in this year.
Oh, very nice, Mataji. So let's give us, see, unless and until we commit the entire others also the atmosphere, the nature will also support us. Give your commitment. Yes, I wanted to do chanting. What may happen? Because to 365 days, 24 hours per day, any time you can do chanting. Whether some good has happened, some bad has happened, don't leave chanting. So when my mother passed away, my father passed away, and still I was doing chanting, and the devotees came and we did chanting. You can never leave chanting, because that is see Shastra. See, you need to catch something in our life. That is what will take us. It is like you are in a ocean. Like in the Shastra, it is said that the Bhava Sagara. This material world is a blazing fire and it is like a sagara. And how you can cross this material ocean is by catching hold of some things. And we need to catch the hold of the Guru, and we need to catch hold of the shelter we have in Kali Yuga is Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Have that faith. Once you have that faith, you will just see how miracles can happen in our life. Yes, thank you, Mataji. Savita Mataji, we are holding you for a long time.
Prabhuji, we are talking about miracles. I wanted to tell something which has happened very lately. My sister-in-law was suffering from she's suffering from terminal cancer, 4th stage of liver cancer. It had spread into the body. And I actually, she did some donations for 108 books and all that. And her name was taken up during the Aarti time. And
Yes, yes.
we did the yajna on that day, Ekadashi day. Prabhuji, on Ekadashi day, we get a report of hers telling that there are no cancer cells in her whole body other than the liver. And in the liver, what cancer cells, whichever that tumor or what, I don't know the terminology, it is dormant. It is not, there is no active cancer cells in the body. And that news came on the Ekadashi day when after the yajna had come up.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
It's a miracle.
It's really a miracle, Mataji. See, this is what our science, whatever modern science we are saying, the modern science cannot prove certain things because the basic is this: Anumana Praman, Pratyaksha Praman, Shabda Praman. So Shabda Praman, because the prayers have, the vibrations have got the power. And when, see, in the earlier days, when we used to go and touch the feet of our parents, of our elders and other saintly persons, why we were taking their blessings? Because the power is there. So if you are not touching your feet of your parents or your elders, I am telling you, just go and do this. Just see how much you, not for your personal this thing, but you're doing it with seva bhav and it's respect. So, but this culture, our culture, we are very fortunate to be in this culture, and the vibrations that, see, so many Vaishnavas have blessed that particular your relative. They said, let her be happy, let her really have mercy of Krishna. Once it has come, then what cancer, what this? So unfortunately, fortunately, we have many MBBS doctors, but again, this profession, and I come from a medical background, so please do not misunderstand me, but there is so much of gapla going on in the medical fields, so much of loot people. So don't leave your professions, but at the same time do it with seva bhav. So you are really going to impact their lives. You can convert people, but just because you are in that kind of a profession where service is your second nature because of the doctor profession. So please take it up like that. I know one Dr. Shanti Mataji is here. She's a devotee, and she does that kind of thing. And there is one children specialist in KPHB colony, Karnakar Prabhu, and he has this Hare Krishna Mahamantra all the time in his cabin going on. When patients come also, they listen, they get purified, they get the benefit. Thank you, Mataji, for sharing. So we are very happy to know, and please share your. So Prabhuji, Govardhan Prabhu, do you think we should continue this or we should close for today?
Some questions are there, Prabhu. If you want to answer it, we'll continue.
Or else take it for today, because today is a very auspicious day, and
yes, this one question from Dr. Lata Mataji. Does really we need to initiate, like without initiation, can we be in Krishna consciousness?
Okay, very nice question. See, initiation is a commitment. See, I have not yet got initiated. I am aspiring. My wife got initiated because she was aspiring from Samadhar Maharaj. I was aspiring. It's all personal relationship. So when you wanted to get initiated, as Srila Prabhupada mentioned, there are 4 regulative principles you should follow. No illicit sex, no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication. These are the 4 minimal. As Seshadri Prabhu said, other things he said, but these are the minimal things that you should be able to follow for initiation. After that, at the time of initiation, you give commitment to your Maharaj saying that I will do 16 rounds of chanting for sure every day. So that is what we give commitment to our Guru, because that is the one which is, so this is all you need to, if you are you need to get initiated. And when I see in I was supposed to tell Savita Mataji that when you get initiated, we put 3 rounds of Kantimala. Whenever, if you are not initiated, but you have left these 4 bad habits, you can, or you are committed to not to do any other these 4 regulative principle. If you are following, you can put Kantimala. But before, if you are not committed with your 4 whatever regulative principles you are not following, or you are not really keen, then you should not put Kantimala. Kantimala means our purity level as we are committed for to follow these 4 regulative principles. See, initiation is required or not? That's the question. Initiation in one way is required because you are respecting what Krishna is asking you to do. Krishna is saying that you need to have a guru, you need to follow a guru. What is the way you can get attached to a guru? Through initiation process. And live guru you need, living guru you need, because you can openly speak to him, you can associate with him. That commitment level will be different. So that is it. Hope I answered that, Dr. Lata Mataji. Okay. Anything else, Prabhu? Before
one more question in chat box, Prabhu.
Yes.
Yes. One more question in chat box. This is question from Sudarshan Prabhu. I have a question, Prabhu. All Guru Paramparas have present Guru. Who is our present Guru? like Madhava Gaudiya Sampradaya.
Present Guru meaning, see, Srila Prabhupada got initiated from Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. The Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj is what initiated his Guru. So that parampara is there, and it starts with Brahma. Later on, it came to all of us, right? So our Guru is anyone after Srila Prabhupada, whosoever are there, we can get initiated with them, because Srila Prabhupada is not there. So we need to get it initiated from one of the living gurus, who is initiated by Srila Prabhupada. And later on, in your time may come when somebody one level or down the level also things may happen. That if you see, like a person who got initiated, he might have got initiated from some other person, and this person might have got initiated from Srila Prabhupada. You might be 2 levels down, but still it is parampara that you are following. So that's well and good. So no problem. Hope that Sudarshan Prabhu, is that clear, Prabhu?
No, Prabhu.
Please ask what is the question, Prabhu.
Means who is the next gurus after Srila Prabhupada?
So there are so many. I can tell you, as Srila Prabhupada himself said in this module, how many devotees are initiated by him in this module? Anybody remembers?
In this module, Prabhupada said 5,000.
Yes, Shanmukhi Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji, 5,000 members.
Around 5,000 members got initiated. So that many. But again, in this 5,000 members, not everybody is at a level where they can give initiations. Because suppose I am got initiated. Try to understand this. I got initiated from somebody, from Maharaj or from Srila Prabhupada, but later on there is a eligibility criteria whether I can really give initiations to others. So how? Because you have to get certain level of what is maturity, and you should also be in line with the things that are there in ISKCON. Then only you get that eligibility to really initiate people. Like most of the people who get initiated are from the Sannyasi Maharajas, but not necessarily. I know one Prabhuji, very close friend of mine, Vijay Hanuman Prabhu. He got initiated from a Grahastha Prabhuji who had the eligibility to initiate. Basically, it's not a qualification that initiation should happen only from a sannyasi. It can be from a Grahastha also, but again, the ISKCON should give them the permission to give initiations. Then they can, he becomes your guru. See, for that matter, Bhaktivinoda Thakur was a Grahastha. He had so many kids, I think around 18 or 17 kids he had. And he was a magistrate level person. But he is one of the, in our parampara, he is one of the gurus. So that's what it is. Hope it is clear, Prabhu. Sudarshan Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhuji, for asking such a wonderful question. Yes, Prabhuji, it's getting late.
Yes, Prabhu. Yes,
sir. Take it up tomorrow, Prabhu. If it is there, is there any urgent ones you will take today? If not, we'll take it tomorrow.
No, Prabhu. One personal question from Dr. Lata Mataji. Mataji, you can directly ask to Prabhuji that, or else you can put it in the link which is provided in WhatsApp group. And and thank everyone for joining us in today's session. I request everyone to participate in Japa meditation tomorrow morning 5:30, and as usual tomorrow 7:30 in Food for Soul program we will meet.
Yes, please join the morning Japa session. Suppose little bit late also you are coming, doesn't matter. At least make a beginning. Come, join for 5 minutes also doesn't matter. But try to come by 5:30. That's where your commitment is. But in case you are not able to for whatever reason, at least join. Not that we need numbers. If there are 3 people also, we will continue this japa. That is my commitment. So my commitment is that if there are only 3 people who are coming, or if not anybody is coming, only Govardhan Prabhu and me are there, we will be there and we'll do our chanting. That's our commitment. So you also commit yourself like that. So then we'll all be at a different level. All will be doing service to Krishna, and slowly we'll all reap the benefits. Thank you, Prabhujis. Thank you, Govardhan Prabhu, and all the Matajis and Prabhujis. Wishing you again a happy new year. And I wish from core of my heart that each one of you to become Krishna consciousness, and you really get the joy of Krishna conscious, and you really propagate this Krishna consciousness not only for yourself but for others who come to your vicinity. Thank you again. Hare Krishna. Dandavad Pranam.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Oh.
Hare Krishna.
Happy Krishna consciousness and New Year to all.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, everyone, and Happy New Year.